हाय वेलकम टू द रिव्यू विद महावश। आज जिस मूवी का हम रिव्यू करने जा रहे हैं उसका नाम है जब हैरी मेट सेजल।
जितना ढोकला ठेपला दे फावड़ा खाना खाओ बस मेरी जिंदगी तो जाओ।
इम्तियाज़ अली की मैं बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ। इम्तियाज़ अली एक ऐसे डायरेक्टर हैं और एक ऐसे राइटर हैं जिनकी कहानियों में हमेशा कोई ऐसी बात ज़रूर होती है जिसके बाद आप सोचने पे मजबूर हो जाते हैं। वो कुकी कटर रोमांसेस नहीं बनाते हैं, वो रेगुलर रोमांसेस नहीं होते हैं। जब हैरी मेट सेजल भी ऐसी ही एक रोमांस है और मेरे लिए ये सबसे ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग इसलिए थी या द रीज़न वाई आई वाज लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट दैट मच वाज बिकॉज इसमें शाहरुख खान और अनुष्का शर्मा थे। ये बहुत मेन स्ट्रीम एक्टर्स हैं, मेजर एक्टर्स हैं बॉलीवुड के, और इनके साथ एक ऐसी फिल्म बनाना जो कि इनके पैराडाइम से बिल्कुल हटके है। वैसे तो शाहरुख खान और अनुष्का दोनों ही बहुत सारी डिफरेंट फिल्में कर चुके हैं, लेकिन इम्तियाज़ अली का जो एक ब्रांड ऑफ रोमांस है या जो इम्तियाज़ अली का जो एक स्टाइल है कहानी लिखने का, कहानी सुनाने का, वो बिल्कुल मुख्तलिफ है, वो बिल्कुल अलग है।
मैं लड़कियों को गंदी नजर से देखता हूँ मैम। चीप
हाँ तो तुमको ये प्रॉब्लम है नहीं, मुझे तो नहीं है। तुम चीप हो गंदे आदमियों पर, मैं तो नहीं हूँ ना गंदी औरत। आई एम तो नीट एंड क्लीन।
So it was very interesting to me to see how Imtiaz Ali would take these actors and then put them into his own world and his own version of how he sees romance and love.
सेजल, सेजल का मतलब है
बिल्कुल जरूरी नहीं है मैम, सच्ची मैं सेजल से करा लूंगा।
एक्चुअली आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट्स योर प्रॉब्लम। हाँ
कहानी है नरेंद्र सिंह नेहरा की और सेजल जवेरी की। फिल्म में कोई मीट क्यूट नहीं है एंड दैट आई फाउंड सो रिफ्रेशिंग। आई फाउंड इट वेरी वेरी नाइस दैट देयर वाज नो बिग बिल्ड अप टुवर्ड्स हैरी मीटिंग सेजल, बिकॉज एक अचानक से उनका ब्रूटल और अब्रप्ट सा मीटिंग होता है, और वो ब्रूटल और अब्रप्ट इसलिए है बिकॉज इट डजंट हैव एनी ऑफ द रोमांस। द एंटायर फिल्म एक्चुअली इज अबाउट द रोमांस दैट दे बिल्ड टुगेदर, द रोमांस दैट दे ट्राई टू फिगर आउट एंड देन दे ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दे नीड टू डू अबाउट इट। टिपिकल सी बात है कि हैरी जो है वो एक टूर गाइड होते हैं और सेजल जो है वो एक रिच टाइकून की बेटी होती हैं। सो ऑब्वियसली वो एक ऐसे लड़के के साथ नहीं भागेंगी। शी इज़ एंगेज, शी इज़ लुकिंग फॉर हर रिंग दैट शी लॉस्ट ऑन द ट्रिप। सो द होल मूवी इज़ बेसिकली अबाउट हाउ दे गो ऑन टू दीज डिफरेंट प्लेसेस एंड दे ट्राई टू फाइंड द रिंग, विच इज़ ऑब्वियसली एविडेंट फ्रॉम द ट्रेलर। वॉट इज़ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल अबाउट द फिल्म इज़ हाउ इट ट्रीट्स रोमांस लाइक ऑल इम्तियाज़ अली फिल्म्स। What's beautiful about the film is how it looks at romance in a way that it changes the paradigm of how a boy and a girl are supposed to understand each other. It's a modern love story in a sense that Sejal is a girl who's empowered, she's strong, she's confident, she is funny, and she likes this guy clearly despite knowing that she's engaged to another fellow. But the attraction that she feels for him, it's just not going anywhere, and she has embraced it, she has taken it head on. And this man Harry is also somebody who is unabashed about his feelings for this girl.
तू फ्लाइट पकड़ के वापस चली जा, ऐसे रिंग नहीं मिलने वाली तुझे, समझ रही?
ढूंढने से भगवान भी मिल जाता है।
मुझे तो नहीं मिला है आज तक।
तुमने ढूंढा है क्या भगवान? ये तो मिल जाता, और जो मिला है शायद वही ढूंढा होगा, सोच के देखो।
नहीं, तुझे तो पक्का नहीं ढूंढ रहा था।
What I love about Shah Rukh Khan's depiction of Harry is that Harry has a lot of things that are just not very clean or simple or easy to understand. There's his ego, that because he's somebody who's at a point in his life where he thinks where he should be at a certain point in his life, but he's not. He's actually somebody who's struggling. What I always love about Imtiaz Ali's hero is that the hero always needs the heroine to complete him. There is no hero without the heroine, and that is one of the beautiful things about how Imtiaz sees romance. What I also love about the film and about Imtiaz Ali's romances is that they have a Seinfeldist quality. What I mean by the Seinfeldist quality is that it's a movie about nothing and it's a movie about everything. In a moment you will see that this romance doesn't seem to be going anywhere, or rather it keeps going around in circles, just much like Sejal's search for the ring. But at the same time there is something extremely tangible. There is a feeling of homesickness, there is a feeling of soullessness, anger, class divide, gender divide. All these things are there and they're happening in the background, but the main story is these two protagonists who are intertwined with each other in a very very moving way. I love these little things that Shah Rukh Khan brings to Harry. I mean, there's the beginning sequence in which he's about to spit at a man who's yelling at him, and that says so much about the person that Harry is. It says a lot about how he's irritable, how he's angry at his own own life, how he's angry at his own self, how there's a lot of self-loathing involved, but at the same time this person, the kind of love and affection he feels for this unlikely romance and this unlikely girl in the shape of Sejal, shows how there's always room for love, and that is the kind of romance that makes you want to believe in love. It makes you want to believe in something more beautiful than yourself. Perhaps this is one of Anushka's finer performances. It's one of those roles which are memorable. It's one of those roles in which she just takes your breath away sometimes with just how natural she is, with just how confident she is in her own skin and as an actress. The role of Sejal is somebody who's very in command of who she is. She's somebody who knows who she is, but when she comes into that conflict, into that break of a life where she doesn't understand what to do with her life anymore, where she doesn't know where her life is taking her, that vulnerability and that utter confusion that we see in Anushka's face is just beautiful. Anushka is also somebody who's excellent at those micro interactions, and so is Shah Rukh. The little scenes that they have together, because the whole film is basically going to be positioned on these both characters, so you have to be invested in how good these characters are, and they truly are that good. Both these actors are so strong, they are so great at what they do that you completely buy into that romance, even though some of the times you do feel that some of this stuff is repetitive and some of the stuff the point has already been made and you need to move on. But the fact is that these two characters have so much chemistry together, and they look so great together, and they act so beautifully that you end up wanting more and more and more. Go for the romance, go for the love, go for the heart and soul of the film, which is basically saying that no romance is romance if you don't complete each other, if you don't love each other or connect each other in a way that whatever void you have inside yourself, somebody else cannot complete. Thank you for watching and listening to this review. Click on subscribe if you like the YouTube channel. You can follow me on Twitter and Facebook. The Review with Mahavish के नाम से मेरे वहाँ pages मौजूद हैं. अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए. Take care. Have a nice day. खुदा हाफिज़.